Hello everyone. I guess you have heard about the Rittal Application Center and you are wondering what is this doing? Well, of course, the idea of the Application Center is to help you pre-fabricate panels. Here's the laser cutting machine and actually to assemble the panels before you go ahead, and you don't have to necessarily do this. Now, let me just show you little bit of an overview of the feature itself. I created this small PowerPoint sheet here. As you know, in ePlan, we create a digital twin. The digital twin has enough information in there to automatically process the cutting and drilling on the different surfaces we have. Now, to share your project with these people at the RAC, what I recommend here is to use the eManage. It's a very simple and free task. So how does that work? Within ePlan, right? When you created your digital twin here, you can simply take this project and upload it to the ePlan cloud called eManage. Now, inside eManage here, this is kind of a box on the cloud where you can manage different projects. So you can go in here, have different subfolders for different customers, whatever, it's up to you. You can share projects with customers. Now here, when you take your project and you simply upload it, then what happens, it's of course uploading. It may take a few seconds, and once it is uploaded, you are here and you have this project. And looking at the details, you can see with whom and who you want to share this. Now, what I invite you to do is to just add here as the external user your RAC, which is the Rittal Application Center of your country. So here, what this will do when you add this as eventually someone that you could download to, okay? Here I did it with RACEPLANCanada.com. What that does is it sends immediately an email to those people, and they will actually be able to simply download this. Now, how this looks like is a little bit like this. You get an email from here telling you there's a project invitation, so a project from you that these people can then download. So of course, when they go onto the eManage free, they will see only the projects that you shared with them here. You can see this is the project I shared. And this means that at the RAC, at the Rittal Application Center, they can simply download here the project and it will be downloaded. As it gets downloaded, the Rittal member here will see the project exactly the same way that you see it, right? And they will be able to simply process it the regular way onto the machine, which is as simple as printing something, because here in the export and in the machining section, you can export to whichever machine is actually ready to go. Could be the Perforex, could be the LaserX. This is actually then the choice of the Rittal Application Center. And what that means is they can process your project within minutes. Use the eManage that is available within the ePlan cloud, and that's it. That's all. Just remember, RAC at EPLANCanada.com or Rittal.ca, or whichever country you may be in, they may have a specific email they will share with you for the Rittal Application Center, and this is how you can share your projects with the Rittal Application Center. I hope this is and was helpful for you. Otherwise, just, if you have any kind of issues with the ePlan cloud, please contact your ePlan people. We will help you get the ePlan cloud up and running. You may have to register yourself. There's a process of creating yourself a new user. Then you get an email like this email I can show you here that I received, which is the ePlan community. So you just have to follow the steps here. There's a no reply to just confirm, that you are who you are. And then the ePlan community administrator will simply here ask you to fill out a couple of things, and that's it. So these are the kind of emails that you will receive, and then that means that from now on, all you have to do as an ePlan user is just upload it to eManage. It goes to the Rittal Application Center, as you can see here in this picture on the top right hand side, and they will actually do the job for you. This actually will save you some extra time on your delivery because you won't have to do the drilling, the cutting. And remember, anytime you do this with ePlan, you move something in ePlan, the machine will actually know about it because you don't have to do anything. It's pretty much as easy as printing something. All you have to do is share your files with the Rittal Application Center. Thank you. If you have any questions, please contact your ePlan people or Rittal people, and they will help you.